our facilities go all the way from Ontario, Canada, down to Texas and coast to coast. So you could be unloading a trailer in sub-zero weather, or it could be 105 degrees out. So it's kind of unforgiving. The fact that Stretch is in there truly supplementing our people and reducing our injury rates is just a huge benefit to us.
Stretch is a mobile manipulation robot designed for warehouses. Basically, the operator will walk it into the container, and from there, it runs on its own. It uses machine learning and its vision to detect all the cases, the ceiling, the walls, the things around that. And then it uses its vacuum gripper to pick up the boxes, place them on the conveyor behind them, and get them inducted into the warehouse.
Stretch is designed to work with a wide variety of boxes, different SKU sizes, large, small, heavy, light. It's designed to meet the freight as you would expect it to be in a warehouse. We expect to have boxes with some damage. Stretch does a good job of managing messy and imperfect containers. It's super quick. Honestly, I teach people to drive the robot in under 10 minutes. In about an hour, they get the gist of how to put it in a container and get stretch picking. And then in 2 days, I'm certifying people. So then they're free to run it without me there.
Many of the features that are in Stretch have come from working with the Gap team to find what fits their needs.
As you look at other unloaders, there's some pretty significant units of equipment that are going in there. The hefty lift of integration required for those systems, Stretch doesn't have any of that. Right out of the gate, the ease of installation is amazing.
It is a blessing to have automation that you don't have to bring as many people in on the weekends, allowing them to spend more time with their family and their loved ones. So the predictability, especially on weekends, has been a really big benefit for us as far as being able to spread out our volume and use the machinery to get a better ROI. You use it 5 days a week, one shift, it's hard. You know, we're using it 3 shifts, 5 days a week, and sometimes day 6 and 7. So it's been a big help in predictability and scheduling staff and planning. So we're excited about the future, but we see other uses in the years to come, and the partnership should continue to grow.